How to fix Instagram activity status not working problem. Hey guys, welcome back to 1 million ideas YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to fix Instagram activity status not working problem. So guys, first of all, what you have to do is first go to your Google Play Store and search for Instagram. After searching for Instagram, if they are asking for an update, you have to update your Instagram. I have recently updated, so I will just show you. Now what you have to do is just restart your phone. Okay, you have to restart your phone. After restarting your phone, you have to go to Instagram application. After going to Instagram application, what you have to do is go to your profile icon on the below of your screen. Now you can see here 3 days on the top right of your screen. Just click here and then you can see here your activity. Just click on your activity and you can see here it is showing your activity is showing now. So you can you can use the notification settings for activity. You can push all. Here you can see you can select for hours or minutes. So now if the problem doesn't work, then what you have to do is go to your phone settings. Go to your phone settings and then scroll down, and you have to go to app management or installer apps or anything what you have in your phone. So I will go to app management and let me search for Instagram. Here is it. Click to Instagram and then you have to stop the force. You can see here for stop, just stop the force and then click on storage uses. After clicking to storage uses, you will be finding an option as clear data. So just you have to clear all the data and go back, and you have to click on permission and you have to allow all the permission. As I have already allowed the permission, I'm just showing this to solve your problem. So guys, after doing this, you have to restart your phone, and then after restarting, what you have to do is you have to uninstall your Instagram application, and after uninstalling you have to relogin. After relogging it, your problem will be solved 110%. Thanks for watching.